Jai Hind everyone. Today's topic is conversion. In this video, we will going to learn how we can convert months or weeks into days, days into hours, hours into minutes, and minutes into seconds. So let's start the topic. Firstly, we will learn how we can convert months or weeks into days. So while converting months or weeks into days, you have to keep in mind a month may have 28, 29, 30 or 31 days. But while converting months into days, we normally take 1 week is equal to 7 days, 1 month is equal to 30 days, 12 months is equal to 365 days, and 1 year is equal to 365 days. Okay. To convert months into days, we multiply the number of months by 30. Okay. For example, here we have to convert 7 months into day. So we have to multiply 7 by 30 only. We know that in 1 month there is 30 days. So therefore in 7 months 7 into 30 is equal to 210 days. Let us take one more example. Convert 5 weeks into days. Now we have to convert 5 weeks into days. So we know that 1 week is equal to 7 days. Therefore, in 5 weeks, there are 7 into 5 days, which means 35. 7 into 5 means 35 days. Next example, how many days are there in 3 years? How many days are there in 3 years? So we know that in 1 year, there are 365 days. In 1 year, there are 365 days. So we just have to multiply the number of years by 365 to get the number of days. Okay, so 1 year is equal to 365 days. Therefore 3 years is equal to 3 into 365 days. 3 into 365 days, which means 1095 days. Next is days into hours. Days into hours. Okay, so keep in mind 1 day is equal to 24 hours. In 1 day there are 24 hours. In 2 days 2 into 24 means 48 hours, and in 5 days 5 into 24 it means 120 hours. So to convert the days into hours, we multiply the number of days by 24. Okay. For example, how many hours are there in 7 days? How many hours are there in 7 days? So 1 day is equal to 24 days. So 7 days is equal to 7 into 24. That means 168 hours. Next example, convert 9 days 4 hours into hours. So here we have to convert 9 days 4 hours into hours. So here keep in mind this part of the question is already in hours. ठीक है, तो इसे convert करने की जरूरत नहीं है. We just need to convert the 9 days into hours. Okay, so 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 9 day is equal to 9 into 24, that is 216 hours. Okay, so 9 day is equal to 216 hours, and we have 4 hours extra. This becomes 216 hours and plus 4 hours, which give us 220 hours. So 9 day 4 hours is equal to 216 hours plus 4 hours is equal to 220 hours. Next is hours into minutes. Hours into minutes. So keep in mind 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Similarly, 3 hours is equal to 3 into 60, 180 minutes, and 5 hours is equal to 5 into 60 is equal to 300 minutes. So, to convert hours into minutes, we multiply the number of hours by 60. It means when we have to convert the number of hours into minutes, we just have to multiply the number of given hours by 60. For example, here we have to convert 8 hours into minutes. So number of hours are given 8. So we just have to multiply 8 by 60. है ना? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 8 hours is equal to 8 into 60, that is 480 minutes. Next example, convert 6 hours and 30 minutes into minutes. 6 hours and 30 minutes into minutes. So here this part is already in minutes. So no need to convert this part into minutes. This is already in minutes. We just have to convert this 6 hours into minutes. Then we will add these minutes and these minutes to get the final answer. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 6 hour is equal to 6 into 60, that is 360 minutes. Okay, so 6 hour become 360 minutes plus 3 plus 30 minutes. Okay, so 360 minutes plus 30 minutes give us 390 minutes. So the total minutes are 390. So 6 hours 30 minutes is equal to 390 minutes. Next is minute into seconds. So keep in mind 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Similarly 2 minutes is equal to 2 into 60, 120 seconds, and 4 minutes is equal to 4 into 60, that becomes 240 seconds. So to convert the minutes into seconds, we multiply the number of minutes by 60. Okay, for example, how many seconds are there in 7 minutes? So we know that in 1 minute there is 60 seconds. So in 7 minutes there are 7 into 60, that is 420 seconds. So in 7 hours is equal to 420 seconds. Next example, convert 9 minutes 45 seconds into second. So again, no need to convert this part of the question into seconds because it is already in seconds. Just convert 9 minutes into second, then add 45 in it. Okay, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Similarly 9 minutes is equal to 9 into 60, that become 540 seconds. Now add these 45 minutes in it to get the final answer. So 540 seconds plus 45 seconds become 585 seconds.